you tired? You've been feeding yourself, now you're too exhausted to eat anymore? What's going on, Nate?